Yeah. Oh, you want the Sophie. You want her. Come get her. Come get her. Come get your Sophie. Come here, Emma. Come play with me. Come play with me. Poof. Hee. You come play? What are you gonna do? How are you gonna get her? Oh. Now she's there. How are you gonna get her? How are you gonna get to her? Hmm? How are you gonna get to that Soph? Emma, how are you gonna do it? You can do it. Oh. You know how? Come on. Come on, smarty pants. You can do it. Yeah, that's right. You pull forward. You gotta get your butt up. You gotta get your buns up. Come on. Good job. You almost got your butt up. You're doing good. Good job, little bear. You can do it. Come to me, Emma. Come to me. You can do it. Okay, now you gotta figure out how to get your knees under you again. Yeah, smile. Are you figuring it out, Smarty? Oh, look, you see, you're getting really good at your legs. Aren't your legs part? And do your legs part? Oh, look at you go, see? You can try? Oh. Oh, it's tough business. It's tough business, this trying to crawl. You can do it.